I got this thing, gonna tie your tongue. Step in my ring, you'll be out round one.
Welcome back guys, it's your opponent, Ninja Muhammad. They will be testing another DYU e-bike. Check it out how small it is. Transportable, portable basically, foldable, mini e-bike from DYU the C2 model. Watch this video till the end to find out how cool this e-bike and is it worth buying. Let's begin this review.
Let's commence our journey by dissecting the specifications of the DYU C2. Sporting a 16 with 2.5-inch wide wheels, this e-bike strikes a harmonious balance between nimbleness and stability, ensuring a smooth ride through bustling city streets. Its lightweight and compact size makes transportation a breeze, can fit in any car trunk, and there you go, ready to take it with you wherever you go. The bike can be easily folded and stored in small spaces as well, making it perfect for those living in apartments or with limited storage space. It weighs less than 30 kilos, premium body made from aluminum, design wise 10 out of 10 from us. Powered by a robust 48 watts 350 watts high-speed motor, the C2 offers seamless acceleration and effortless navigation, making every commute a breeze. Now, let's talk power. Occupied with a high-quality 7.5 amp lithium-ion battery cells, the DYU C2 boasts an impressive range of 30 to 40 kilometers using pedal assist mode. Whether you're zipping through traffic or leisurely exploring the urban landscape, rest assured that the DYU C2 will keep you cruising with confidence. With a maximum speed of 25 km per hour, you'll effortlessly outpace the hustle and bustle of the city life. Comfort is a paramount when it comes to urban commuting, and the DYU C2 delivers in spades. Featuring an upgraded soft and broadened high-end seat, this e-bike ensures a plush and ergonomic riding experience, coupled with a shock-reducing design. You'll glide over bumps and potholes with ease, arriving at your destination feeling refreshed and revitalized. Safety and practicality are paramount in urban environments, and the DYU C2 excels on both fronts. With front and rear disc brakes, you can confidently navigate busy streets knowing that reliable stopping power is always at your fingertips. Additionally, the innovative turn signal functions and remote control gadget enhance visibility and ease of use, ensuring a safe and seamless riding experience. In conclusion, the C2 electric bike epitomizes urban freedom, offering a perfect blend of performance, comfort and convenience for a budget price tag. Whether you are commuting to work, running errands or exploring the city, this e-bike is your ticket to seamless and sustainable mobility. Remember, the price tag is less than 700 euros or around 750 bucks. Great price tag for such a beautiful modern